It's not just the Indian men's team that is touring England, it's the women's team there as well. And what a start to the series. Smriti Mandhana, the captain, the batter, leading from the front. A magnificent 100 in Nottingham. She was, there was no Harmanpreet today, Magar she stepped up and batted beautifully. Harleen Deol supported her magnificently. वो भी बहुत attacking cricket खेली. I think Harleen Deol, soon as she came on, the first 8-9 deliveries, she hit 20 runs, and that set the tone. Because power play के बाद जो acceleration का process होता, the Indian team has struggled in the past, especially in the T20 World Cup last year. लेकिन ये बार both of these ladies batted really well and kept making sure that the pressure was on England. And yeah, Smriti Mandhana, the shots she plays, man, like she can come down the track and hit you. She can hit you square of the wicket, and we saw that. देखो एक shot उन्हें cover के ऊपर मारी थी coming down the track, and then there was one shot, the next ball, they bowled it a bit shorter and she pulled it through mid wicket. So she plays with the bowler's length and line, and a very smart batter. And what a way to kickstart the tour. 100 for Smriti Mandhana. Remember, this is a 50 World Cup over year. Team India के लिए बहुत important है, because that World Cup will be in India. So for them to get that rhythm, I know this is a different format, but it's a white ball format, and getting the rhythm, playing against England in English conditions will give them that confidence, especially if they win. And आज वही करे. Very good batting from them, especially like I said, Harleen Deol and Smriti Mandhana. Shefali struggled a bit, but she got a few boundaries away, and the way Smriti was batting, it released the pressure for India. Then with the ball, oh my God, what a performance! Charani was magnificent. I think जो England के batters said they couldn't pick her. Left arm spinner taking the ball away from the right hand batter. It was an incredible spell, outstanding. I think picking up 4 wickets for 12 runs, economy of 3 something, like it was incredible. बहुत अच्छी bowling करी, and she was well supported by Radha Yadav, Deepti Sharma and Sneha Rana. भाई Sneha Rana किधर गई थी पता नहीं, लेकिन वो जब वापस आई, you can see the control that she brings to the team, you can see the accuracy she brings to the team, and wicket taking ability as well. And we saw that clearly today on display, and I think they really missed her in the last tournament, and she just has that experience as well. So it was the spinners that did the trap. ये मैच इंग्लैंड में हो रहा, नॉटिंघम में हो रहा है, लेकिन जिस तरीके से इंडिया की bowlers bowl करे, they just trapped England, put them in a spinning type of web, and the pressure was on. From England's point of view, they will be disappointed with the bat. It was just Nat Sciver-Brunt who performed, the captain. Apart from her, they all struggled particularly against the spin, and that's something they'll have to work on, because the Indian team will stifle you in the middle overs. अगर आप attack नहीं करते and you don't get look, they also take pace off, so it is difficult to hit sixes. Whereas when the England team was bowling, you can see there was some pace on, and the Indian batters were using that pace and hitting it into the gaps. England were starved of that, and that's where they'll have to focus on कि भाई middle overs में against 4 spinner के खिलाफ कैसा हम run निकालेंगे. लेकिन overall it was a great performance from Team India. I think with the bat and the ball, complete performance. I think it's the highest ever victory margin against England, if I'm not mistaken. Also, Smriti Mandhana, highest score for Indian women's cricketer in T20 cricket. I think after her it was probably Harmanpreet, I think, at second place, but yeah, she is the highest right now. And yeah, good start to the series for Team India, and hopefully the Indian men's team who are in Birmingham right now practicing, hopefully they can also land a win in that second test match, and we'll have all the updates for that. Abhi practice ho rahi hai, the match starts on Wednesday, so we'll cover the press conferences, we look at the practice, what Bumrah is doing. फैज भाई जो है पूरा डिटेल में देख रहे क्या बुमराह क्या कर रहा है, पंत क्या कर रहा है, शुभमन गिल क्या कर रहा है नेट्स में. So we have a close eye on that as well, so make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe button, and in the meantime we're also covering the women's series as well. And it was very good to see Team India after a very rough year last year, for them fresh start, and the way they played, the way they batted, the way they bowled today was a proper complete team effort, and hopefully they can maintain this consistency going forward in this series. And yeah, that's all from Chasing the Target. Make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe button, and catch you guys soon.